Hello, wisdom seekers. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of purple aventurine, the stone of the spirit. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to talk about how you can do that with purple aventurine. This is, of course, a member of the Aventurine family. There are many colors of aventurine, and I have already posted videos of green, blue, yellow, and now purple, and there are a couple more colors to cover. Now, aventurine and quartz are very, very similar. They both have a quartz base, but the difference between quartz and aventurine is that aventurine has inclusions of mica that give it a very sparkly look. It looks like there are bits of glitter in it. It's very shimmery. And purple aventurine has bits of purple mica in it, lepidolite. That's the easy way that you can tell between, say, blue quartz and blue aventurine is if you see the sparkle in it, it's aventurine. Now, how do we work with the stone of spirit? The first benefit of working with purple aventurine in your life is that it's extremely cleansing and balancing. This is an aspect of the aventurine family that all aventurine shares. It balances our energies. So if you are feeling a little unwell, off kilter, out of balance, and you're not sure why, it could mean that there is stagnant energy in your system, that there is some sort of block. Sitting with aventurine will help to clear out your entire energetic system, get all of the energy moving again, to strengthen your aura, and to help you feel balanced again. So if you are feeling a little unwell, but you're not sick, you feel a little out of it, then sit with aventurine. Absorb its balancing and cleansing features, get some rest, hydrate, so that you can feel rejuvenated and awake again. The second benefit of working with purple aventurine is that it is the healer of the spirit. And it's very useful if you are having a crisis of faith. If something has happened in your life that really shakes your faith, that causes doubt, that makes you question your spiritual path, your spiritual beliefs, then purple aventurine will help you through that process. It will enable you to sit with whatever has happened, to absorb that experience, to examine it, and to help you have hope and to know that you can get through this situation. Sometimes things happen to us, happen in the world, and it leaves us wondering, what is the point of all of this? Why do I even have faith? Because horrible and tragic things happen to the faithful as well. Purple aventurine will help you find that hope, find that strength, and be able to work with whatever doubts have arisen for you. The third benefit of working with purple aventurine is that it helps you make spiritual decisions. It could be that whatever has shaken your faith has caused you to need to make a decision about what you're going to do about that. Or maybe another path has arisen. There are some other opportunities that seem very intriguing. You need to make a choice about how you're going to proceed. Then sitting and meditating with purple aventurine will help you sit with the experience, feel it in your body, connect with your inner wisdom, gain insight, and help you make a decision about how you would like to move forward with that. It can help you decide if you're going to stay the course. If you do have that faith to keep going, it can help you discover if this situation has reinforced your faith. Or it can help you make that decision to change your path, to go in a different direction and accept it and feel good about it. Because we have started off with one spiritual belief doesn't mean that we're going to keep that belief for the rest of our life. And purple aventurine helps us change and adapt. And then the fourth benefit of working with purple aventurine is for stress relief. Purple aventurine does have inclusions of purple mica in it, of lepidolite in this stone. So all of the stress relieving benefits of lepidolite are also within purple aventurine. If you are currently under a lot of stress, feeling a lot of anxiety, or suffering from depression, then purple aventurine is another wonderful gemstone to help you release the stress, to release the anxiety, to lift up your mood and help you feel supported if you're feeling depressed. And it will help you be with that situation with much less suffering. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about purple aventurine. It is a gemstone that wants to help soothe you when you're having difficulties with your spiritual beliefs and your spiritual path, to help you feel supported and calm and safe when you have choices to make. If you do feel like purple aventurine is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with purple aventurine. And you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. But if anything that we talked about in this video today, or any of the prompts in the guided meditation really feel familiar to you, they speak to you or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some purple aventurine and work with it some more. For those of you who are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. So if you're interested in finding out which gemstones can help you in your current everyday life situations and how you can inspire transformation and positive life change in your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can learn about all sorts of crystals and gemstones and you won't miss a single one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.